Good day everyone, I am Jude B. Fajardo from group number 3, and in this short video, we will be discussing our final project and human-computer interaction, which is the improvement of the UI/UX or the web page of archive of our own. So before we proceed, I will first discuss the three objectives. So we have actually three objectives for this project. First is to enhance the navigation information architecture. So the current website is actually not that user friendly. We believe that the current website, the users are currently having a hard time to navigate and track tools that we can use in the current website. So we will lean and improve on that more. And then for the second objective is to improve content discovery and search functionality. Sa current website, it is a bit hard to search for the story or the functionality that we need. So we will be improving the search functionality of the website so that users can is- can use archive of our own much easier. And for and with those two objectives, we have our last objective, which is increase user engagement and interaction. So with the improvement, the goal and objective of this improvements is that for us to have more engagement and interaction with archive of our own. So for us to much more understand the flow of this final project, um, the original website will be shown by my groupmate, um, Johnlerein Manaog, and Trixxie Kathleen Zabala will discuss the mock-up, and Ramelle Fortuna will discuss the working web page that we have built. Okay?
So, hello. Um, Today I will discuss the original design of our chosen redesign of a web application in and the chosen website that we will redesign as the group 3 is archive of our own. So I will be making a walkthrough to discuss the original design of it website. So here in our the web page of the website, we can see uh, the home page. So here the footer, and in here is the in the navigation bar is the random browse search about and the search. Let's first discuss the login. So as you can see, the login is just a portion or a small window in the website itself. So in the proposed design for the redesign, we made um, a page solely for the login. So here in the main page, as you can see, um, it has so many textual words and not a single image. So um, it may feels like a boring. It's really boring to navigate here. So that's in the nav bar. So if as you can see, if we click in the anime and manga section, so we can see that it's all listed. Yet it has so many clutter because the website only use um, only textual words, only text. Um, it is really hard to navigate with all this text Like there is no single image in the in the list of this. So if we click a topic, so let's say uh let's say One Piece, One Piece here. So as you can see, this section it has full of clutter. Not a single image is being shown here. It's really hard to navigate and also to read. And that is all. So the next presenter will discuss the presented redesign of this website.
So, good day. I am Trixxie Kathleen Zabala, and I am here to present the our proposed mockup. So, welcome to the reimagined archive of our own. So, a fan-created, fun-run, non-profit archive for transformative works like fan fiction, fan art, fan videos, and podfic. So, with a fresh, modern interface, AO3 keeps everything you love and make it even easier to explore. It's navigate effortlessly through fandoms, search stories, or browse by category. And need a quick inspiration fix? Head straight to your favorites, whether it's anime, literature, music, or games. So stay connected with community updates, get the latest on fair use, volunteer stories, and what's happening across the fandom world. So next is the returning users can log in smoothly with a clean, focused layout designed for clarity and security. Enter your you can enter your email and your password, and you're back in the world of stories that speaks to you. Next is this. Notably, 16-bit sensation also appears in the anime and manga section of AO3's homepage. Featured among others standout works like 20th Century Boys and O-Parts Hunter. This placement shows its rising popularity and appeal among fans of retro styles anime and storytelling. So, AO3's intuitive layout makes it easy for users to discover gems like this, stories that expand on beloved characters and worlds with a fresh and imaginative perspective. So, lastly, we showcase a featured fanfiction entry to highlight user engagement and fandom's content. So, this example displays 16-bit Sensation, a story hosted on archive of our own. So, this layout presents this key story information like title, author, the rating, character tags, fandoms involved, and the current story stats including word count, kudos, and number of hits. So the design mimics AO3's familiar user interface, making it recognizable and comfortable for users who frequent the platform. So on the left, we include the stories cover art to make the dashboard visually engaging and content rich. So that's all for our proposed mock-up design, and thank you.
So good day, I am Ramelle B. Fortuna, and I will be discussing the working web page that we've created. We redesigned for the archive of our own. So here is the home page. As you can see, it is bare. We have the dashboard. It has some animations so that it is pleasing to the eyes. The login button, archive of our own, the complete web page name, like your favorites. Then we have the news that is updated regarding on which news depending on the fandom is is latest. Then we have the login page. So in the login page, in the original website for the O3, it only shows a if you click the login button, it only shows a small box on the upper right of the screen. So in here, we have a dedicated um, page only for the login. So as you can see, it is better than having only a small portion, or you can barely see it if you log in on the original website. Then we have the browse. Here you can browse the stories. Actually, here per box you can actually customize the background depending on the author's story cover. De- Depending on the author's preference on what they want to use as a picture for their stories. So we have the top 10 today, the filters, still the dashboard is still in here. Then we have the genres. If we slide it downwards, there are different genres for the web page. So as you can see, compared to the original website, it is more pleasing to the eyes, easier to use, than easier to familiarize with the stories. So that's all for the original for the web page that we created for in compared to the original and current design. Thank you.
And so that's it for our final project in human computer interaction, the improved web page and UI UX design of Archive of Our Own. So thank you so much for watching and have a great day.